Good morning and welcome to Namibia. First morning out, having a little explorer. I spent the night at Orange River Lodge. Very nice, very comfortable, big room, bar's good, food is good. And so now this morning it is 7:45 and I'm taking a leisurely exploratory drive to Rosh Pinah. This is the start of the journey. I'm about 20 k's from the lodge and those mountains up ahead, which you probably can't see on the GoPro, but you'll definitely see a bit later once we're in and amongst it. Till then, enjoy the ride. We are, that's the Orange River there. We are going to go, that way is Rosh Pinah. We've just come from there, we're now going back